the electric Jugaad, converting classic cars in Pakistan with smart technology. In the bustling workshops of Lahore, a quiet revolution is taking place. It's not about sleek, imported electric vehicles EVs from global giants. Instead, it's about ingenuity, resourcefulness, and a deep understanding of the local market. This is the Corolla Jugaad, a uniquely South Asian term for a clever makeshift fix, and it's being applied to one of Pakistan's most beloved cars, the Suzuki Marin. A recent conversation with Faisal, a tech enthusiast and innovator from smart technology in Lahore, reveals a fascinating new trend: converting small, fuel-powered cars like the Marin into hybrids and full electric vehicles using custom-built motor kits. For a country where fuel efficiency is paramount and the Marin is a cultural icon, this innovation could be the heart of the conversion, the electric motor. The core of any electric conversion is the motor, and Faisal's workshop has a range of options. The key idea is to provide power without completely sacrificing the original character of the car. One of the primary motors discussed is a 4 kilowatts BLDC brushless DC motor. While its nominal power is 4 kilowatts, it has a peak power output of up to 9 kilowatts. This extra surge is crucial for real-world driving conditions. As Faisal explains, if your car is stopped on a steep incline or a speed breaker, the motor can draw on this peak power for up to 30 seconds to get you moving again without strain. With a voltage of 60 volts, this motor achieves between 4,000 and 5,000 RPM, providing a smooth and capable driving experience for those looking for a simpler, more efficient option. There's a 3-phase BLDC motor, known for its impressive 80 to 85% efficiency. This motor comes with a gear system designed to be coupled directly with the car's existing drive. The beauty of this setup is that it offers multiple installation paths for the aspiring converter. 2. Paths to electrification. The technology allows for 2 distinct approaches to converting a car depending on the owner's goals and budget. 1. The hybrid approach, keeping the engine. The first method is perfect for those who aren't ready to say goodbye to their internal combustion engine. This setup allows the car to run as a hybrid. The electric motor is installed alongside the existing engine. In the Marin's case, the motor can be connected to the small gear, the chota gear, that is attached to the differential. By fabricating a tube or coupling to link the motor to this gear, the car can be driven electrically at lower speeds. This is ideal for city driving. You can cruise silently through traffic at 40 to 45 kilometers per hour on electric power alone, saving a significant amount on fuel. But when you need the extra power for highway driving, the petrol engine is still there, ready to take over. As Faisal puts it, with this setup, you can enjoy the benefits of both electric and engine too. The full electric conversion. For those wanting a complete transition to electric power, the second method is more radical. In this approach, the petrol engine is removed entirely. The electric motor is then coupled directly to the car's gearbox. This means the original gearbox, clutch, and braking system remain fully functional. You shift gears as you normally would, but the power now comes from a silent electric motor instead of a roaring petrol engine. This conversion transforms the Marin into a pure electric vehicle, leveraging the familiar mechanics of the car with a clean, efficient power of electricity. The solar-powered vision, driving on sunshine. Perhaps the most exciting part of this innovation is the future vision. Faisal and his team aren't just stopping at motors and batteries. They plan to take it a step further by integrating solar power. The idea is to install solar panels on the roofs of the cars they convert. In a sunny country like Pakistan, this could be revolutionary. A car parked under the sun would essentially be charging itself for free. As Faisal humorously notes, instead of looking for shade, owners will be looking for the sunniest spots to park. The cost of going green. A crucial aspect of any conversion is the cost. Faisal breaks down the pricing transparently. A basic conversion kit, which allows you to convert a small car, like a can start from as low as 11 rupees, Pakistani rupees. However, the final price can go up to 5, 6, 7, or even 10 lakh, depending on the components chosen. The biggest variable is the battery pack. The range and performance of the electric car depend on the battery type and size. Lead-acid batteries, a set of 5 high-quality lead-acid batteries, which can provide a range of about 100 kilometers, while cost around 10 pkr. With this setup, the total cost of a basic conversion could be around 25 lakh. Lithium-ion batteries for better performance, longer life, and lighter weight. Lithium-ion, specifically Lithium iron phosphate batteries are the superior choice. However, they are more expensive. A lithium battery pack capable of the same 100 kilometers range would cost between 301 3,30 PKR, bringing the total project cost to around 35 to 4 lakh. A unique control system. The conversion also includes a dedicated control system. A lever or switch box is provided to manage the electric motor's functions. This typically includes options for forward and reverse, as well as a low and high mode. The low mode is for situations requiring high torque and power, such as climbing a steep hill. By engaging the low mode, the motor's RPM decreases, but its pulling power multiplies, similar to how a tractor uses its gears for heavy work. How to get your own electric Marone for those intrigued by this idea. Faisal welcomes them to get in touch. His workshop, Smart Technology, is located at Baza, Wandawa Road, Latif Chowk, Shadara, Lahore, right opposite Bashir Taikwala. Customers can either visit in person or place an order online with an advance payment. The team can then either provide the kit or perform the full conversion. This movement is more than just a business. It's a testament to Pakistani innovation by taking an affordable, ubiquitous car and giving it a new, eco-friendly life. Innovators like Fazal are proving that the future of transportation doesn't have to be expensive or out of reach. It can be built right here, one Marin at a time.